another video on the iRobot Roomba maintenance. This one is an E5 here. Okay, let's do the maintenance. Say about every 20 times you run it, you may want to do one of these. Take the wheel out with a screwdriver. Uses no hair. Amazingly enough, that's clean. Lay it on there. You pump, and you're good. Here we have a little damage on this one. It's just lost one thing, but you can read what it is. This is after over a year of heavy use. I'm going to use the big flathead for that. Big flathead. Don't mess up your screw with the wrong screwdriver. So this one's actually pretty clean, doesn't have no hair or nothing. I think I already did this one a while back. So that's alright. Careful not to scratch. Don't damage that screw head. This is good. Hair is gone. That may be replaced eventually, but it'll still work with two for quite a while. Here, open the little latch. Take it out. Get the hair out in the ends. Remember, put it back in the same way. One on the right. Problem is, after you get rid of all the hair, a lot of times you forget how it was. You try to put it in this way, or you put it in on this side, and it doesn't work. So you gotta remember it. Lift up this side just a little bit, all right? Wiggle it around, and it's in there. Test it like this. Any hair on there? Cut those with a carpet knife. Try not to cut the actual thing, whatever you call this. So if it's in there correctly and it's rolling right, close that down again. Open up here. And shake that out on the trash can. Top of the trash can. A few times. Today I'm going to wash this one with water to get it really clean. Wait a minute, no, not this one, different one. Putting it in, close that, look at the teeth, go, teeth, put the wheel up, go in that little ledge here. Closed. And you're good. It's nice to have a little bag to put this in, and you just put it in the closet or whatever. You don't want to leave it on the charging base, which I don't. I don't want it laying around. You can look in there if anything happens to get stuck in there, which almost never does. Then I'm going to give these 5 Phillips screws, right? So this is either 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then to those after every 20 runs or so, we do our maintenance. A little quarter turn, tighten it down. Not too much. Remember, that's plastic and aluminum. So this is not your typical screw and a wood screw in an electronic device. That's usually embedded in plastic, so you don't want to wrench that like you would on a screw that's going into a wooden piece, like a 2x4 or something, where you just crank it as hard as you can. You don't want to do that here. Always make sure your screwdriver fits, so you don't damage the top of these screws, because how are you going to replace them? Good luck. And don't just turn enough to, so it kind of stops. Probably even 2 fingers would be enough. Don't crank it too tight, it'll damage the plastic under it. Ready to run.